Hello there and welcome to my channel. I am thrilled to have you here. If you are someone who enjoys collaboration, seasonal decor, and transforming space on a budget, then you've come to the right place. On this channel, I'm all about art of thrift flipping, finding hidden treasures at garage sales, Dollar Tree hauls, and exploring other affordable stores for fantastic deals. If you believe in the power of creativity and affordability, make sure to subscribe, share, and like. And now let's jump right into our first exciting DIY project. I purchased this at Dollar Tree. I took the snail out. I tried moving that garden word, but I did not succeed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this little piece out of here and also the little flower. Then I'm gonna flip it around and I'll start working on it. I'm going to be giving it one coat with white chalk paint. So I waited several minutes until the white chalk paint dried, and now I'm coming in with some Mod Podge. I'm going to apply it only to half. I purchased this tissue at Dollar Tree. Every time I can, I buy some because this is my favorite pattern by far. So I'm going to go ahead and press it right here on the bottom part of this beautiful garden fork. And then later on, I'm going to go ahead and cut the excess with a scissor. And then of course, if you follow me, you know I love that burning method because it's easy, relaxing to even watch. If you're going to try this, please make sure that you are doing it in a safe place or have a bottle of water close to you. And of course, I'm going to be pushing my little diva away for her protection. Did you see how fast and easy? And now with a brush, I'm just going to go ahead and clean it up a little. This is so beautiful. I love it. Have you ever tried this? Leave it in the comment section. I'm going to go ahead and retouch the handle with the same white chalk paint. So I have this rope. I'll be unraveling it just like you see here. And one of the pieces, I'm going to be gluing it around the handle. And now with this acrylic khaki color, I'm going to go ahead and distress the entire piece. And now to decorate this beautiful welcome little shovel. I am in love with this one. I saw it and I said, I gotta take this home. So what the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and remove this little flower, and I will also remove the bee. I'm going to be taking this chalk paint, the color is sage, and I'm going to give it one coat to the part that's already green. And I will work around that welcome sign because it was really difficult for me to remove it and I just did not want to break it. So I'm going to come back with the white chalk paint, and I will be giving it one coat to only the handle. I'm using the same tissue. I'm gonna go and place it right here on the handle. This looks so beautiful. Of course, I'm using the same technique. Now I'm going to go ahead and paint the entire border with this white chalk paint, just to make sure that it looks nice and finished. And now to embellish this beauty, and with this rope, I'm going to be doing the same thing that I did to the first one. I'll wrap it around 4 or 5 times. Remember that beautiful bee? I'm gonna go ahead and glue it right on the same spot. This one here, I'll be heavily distressing it with the same khaki acrylic from Apple Barrel. I'm repurposing this picture frame. The only thing that I'm going to do is add a little bit more of this white chalk paint just to lighten it up a little. And now it's time to put everything together. I added some Jenga blocks on the back just to make the fork and the little shovel elevated. My friends, if you were creating this, will you eliminate the Jenga blocks, or do you think that the Jenga blocks makes it look nicer? Leave it in the comment section. I'm going to be enhancing this frame by adding this stunning garland on top. Please share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Your support is incredibly valuable to me. And now for the final reveal. Today is part of an open collaboration. It is being hosted by myself, DIY with Audia, along with Ray One Way Designs 238. And we have 2 co-hosts, Latosha, Sunflower, Tasha DIY, Makeba, Sweet Heavenly Dove. I'll be leaving their links down in my description box along with the playlist. Please make sure to subscribe, share, and like to their channels. Make sure to watch their video all the way until the end so you won't miss any of their inspiration. And today is a welcome summer. We have to create a minimum of 2 DIYs, a welcome sign, summer wreath, or a USA flag. And of course, we have to make sure that we have a lots of fun as we create these projects. And now let's go ahead and continue with our second project. I'm going to be creating a summer wreath. I'm going to be taking these lamb ears. I'll cut them to size and then I'll place them on the bottom of the wreath. I'm going to be making 2 different bowls with 2 different ribbons. I'm going to go ahead and glue both of them together once they are completely done, and then I will be putting them on the wreath with a lace ribbon. Isn't this turning out beautiful? I am absolutely loving it. So now I'm going to go ahead and put this to the side. And I'm going to come in with this little wooden plaque that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I'll be giving it one coat with this antique wax, and I watered it down, and I'll do it to the entire piece. Now with a wipey, I'm going to go ahead and wipe the entire piece down. Now that it's dry, with this furniture marker, I'm going to be doing some stitching lines around the entire piece. I utilized this welcome stencil, but unfortunately I misplaced the footage. Nonetheless, all I did was employ a paintbrush, and as evidence, it wasn't exact flawless. So I'm making some improvements. I'm going to use another stencil, but I'm using this khaki color. Again, it was not perfect, so I will be making the necessary improvements. I'm going to be using this drill to create a hole because I need a point to hang it from. And I'm going to be using some of this jute twine. I'm going to take another piece of jute twine and I'm going to tie it right here. And this is going to be used to put these wooden beads. I want these to hang right over this welcome sign. You'll see. And I'm giving it one coat with pale yellow. Now that they are dry, then I'm going to go ahead and put them in place along with these white beads. I'm going to tuck it in with some hot glue. And I'm going to be using this beautiful flower from the previous project. This is it for this beautiful wreath. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite so far. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. These galvanized caps from Dollar Tree. I have 2 of them and I'm going to be giving it 2 coats only in the inside with this red acrylic paint. I will also be painting the borders on both of them with this white chalk paint. And of course, I waited till everything was dry. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some hot glue around this galvanized cap with this baker's twine. I folded in 4. I'm going to go ahead and twist it and continue to glue it around the cap. I'll be doing that to both of them. I have these window clings and I'm going to be using this one, Land of the Free, because of the brave. And I will be using some Mod Podge and I will be applying it right in the center. And as you can see, I started with the one that doesn't have the jute twine in the side, in the middle, or I should say the baker's twine. But I'm going to go ahead and do something different. I'm going to take this rope and I will be hot gluing it in the inside. I'm securing the ends with some hot glue to prevent them from coming loose. So for the second one, I took this American flag, I added some Mod Podge, and I placed it right in the center of this second bottle cap. I also took 6 of these stars. I painted 2 in blue, 2 in red, and 2 in white. And now that they are all dry, I'm gonna go ahead and start hot gluing them right inside this beautiful piece. I also want to remind you that this is part of a open collaboration. Please make sure to visit these talented creators and show them a lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking. These guys are so talented. You will not regret it once you visit their channel. And this is it for these beautiful DIYs. Please make sure to let me know in the comment section which is your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. And now for the final review.